Hey y'all, so we're going to start off with the already painted tumbler. I used 3 to 4 different spray paints and I am using 7 different glitters. Yes, 7. I know it was a little bit extra and I could have mixed them all together, but I didn't want that effect. I wanted each glitter to have their own little section on the cup, so the leaves can be different color greens. All the glitters used in this tutorial will be listed down below. For my glitter heart glitters, I do have a 10% off your whole order. Um, that can be found in the description box along with all the links to the paper, the decal, and glitter heart co. I did use the epoxy method to adhere my glitter. So I put 1 ml on this 20-ounce tumbler from Stainless Steel Depot. And I apply my glitter. So because I'm using 7 glitters, I wanted to have time to work with it. So this may have worked with epoxy. I mean, not epoxy, excuse me. With Mod Podge, but it was just going to be too much. This may have worked with Tack It too, but the only thing with Tack It is it takes so long to dry because it's a readjustable glue. So I just felt like the epoxy way was the best method. I like adhering glitter with epoxy because I can take my time. I like taking my time when I'm using more than one glitter. It gives me it makes me satisfied that I can take my time and make sure the glitter is placed the way that I want it. With Mod Podge, I will have to go back in and do another coat. I will have to do this. I don't. The only time I would adhere glitter with Mod Podge if I'm doing one color. But lately I've been reaching for my Mod Podge because not my Mod Podge, my epoxy, because normally when I needed glitter cups, I have other tumblers on my tumbler turner that's need to be coated with some more epoxy. So I just take the little bit that's left and coat my tumbler that need to be glittered. Oh my gosh, that glitter right there, jelly bean. I need to put that on the cup alone. I might make a margarita cup or something. Something springy. It's so pretty. So I took my time with applying my glitter, and I'm going diagonal. I'm going one way. I like the way this came out. I really do. After this was dry, I sealed it with Rust-Oleum 2 times clear coat. I did 2 coats of that. Then I went in with 20 mLs of epoxy. And because this is fine glitter, but I did have those chunkies, I had to go back in with a second coat of 20. Maybe it was 10 mLs. I didn't even do a whole 20 on the second coat, so I had to make the cup smooth. So when we go in and do our lay our vinyl for our peekaboo, I won't have no problems. Or when we go spray paint for our peekaboo, I won't have no problems. That is the biggest, like, don't rush it, y'all. When you're doing a peekaboo, just take your time. Make sure your cup is smooth, because them blemishes will show through that spray paint and it will not look cute. Trust me. Right here, this is removable vinyl. I found these leaves from Creative Fabrica. The link will be in the description box below to the leaf decal. So I just placed them randomly. I used 12, 6 big ones and 6 small ones. Just make it yours, If you have an idea how you can better this cup, go ahead and do it. It's all fun. So after I spray painted the cup, I epoxied it. And I looked at it and I'm like, it needs something else. So I went on Creative Fabrica and found some smoke clouds and I found some 420 doodles. And I put the doodles inside of the smoke clouds. My smoke clouds are, let me see what size they are. They are they're 1.5 inches. And my big leaves are my small leaves are 0.96 and my big ones are 1.92. So I went ahead and did that and I epoxied it, and then I knew I wanted to outline my leaves in yellow. Shout out to the Rock Safaris. Had you in mind when thinking about this cup. So my outline, I just put an outline into, excuse me, I took the leaves into Cricut Design Space, made an outline, sliced it so I can get the outlines that I wanted. I just placed them up there, and no, I did not outline every leaf. So I'm gonna let you go ahead and enjoy this. Thank you for stopping by and watching my video. Please hit subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you in the next video. Hopefully you come back. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.